So students, next under alcohol is we are going to differentiate. How to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol? By using one test, we can differentiate these three alcohols. So by the test is by doing this Lucas test. Lucas test, you can differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Okay, so this test, this Lucas test, if you take this Lucas test, this depends upon the reactivity of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol towards hydrochloric acid. Okay, how this primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol reacts towards hydrochloric acid. So based on that, this Lucas test depends upon that reactivity only. Okay, so based on that, the order is tertiary, secondary and then comes primary. So uh, tertiary alcohol will react more with HCl, then comes secondary and then comes primary. Okay, so this is what the concept here. Understood? So this test is based upon the reactivity of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So based on that concept, if you take, tertiary alcohol is highly reactive to this HCl, then comes secondary alcohol and then comes primary alcohol. Okay, so now we'll see this Lucas test. Okay, so first actually you have to take unknown alcohol. Generally what you have to do, I'll give you. First you have to take this unknown. You have to take unknown alcohol. You have to this unknown alcohol you have to add Lucas reagent. Okay, so what is this Lucas reagent? This Lucas reagent, it is nothing but a mixture of concentrated. It is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay, so Lucas reagent is concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride, and ratio of this is 1:1. Okay, so this is what Lucas reagent. So when you are adding this Lucas reagent to this unknown alcohol, at this should be at room temperature only. Okay, here I will write at room temperature. Okay, you are going to do this at room temperature, and you have to mix it, shake it nicely. So what happens? First you will get, definitely you will get alkyl chloride. Okay, so you will get alkyl chloride. This alkyl chloride, it is just that you know very well, it is insoluble in water. Okay, so insoluble in water means it will form a turbidity. Insoluble in water means that it will form like a, so alkyl chloride which is insoluble in water and it forms turbidity. Okay, like turbidity means what to say, like cloudiness. It won't be clear. It like a cloudiness it will be there. So but if you take this turbidity, it will be different for three alcohols. Primary alcohol it will be different, secondary alcohol will be different, tertiary alcohol will be different. So from this only you can identify what type of alcohol is that. Okay, so I'll give you, see, suppose the unknown alcohol which you are taking is primary alcohol. Okay, what I told you, I ask you to take unknown alcohol. To that unknown alcohol only you are going to add Lucas reagent. Okay, let us take primary alcohol as the unknown alcohol. Okay, so to this you are adding Lucas reagent. So what is Lucas reagent? It is nothing but a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay, so if that unknown alcohol is a primary alcohol, there won't be any turbidity. Okay, so no turbidity appears at room temperature. Okay, you cannot see any turbidity at room temperature. Next, if the unknown alcohol, if you are taking secondary alcohol as an unknown alcohol, to this you are adding Lucas reagent. Okay, so here this turbidity will be there. You can get the turbidity within 5 minutes. Okay, turbidity turbidity appears within 5 minutes. Okay, so the unknown alcohol which you had taken is secondary alcohol. Okay, and to that you are adding Lucas reagent, then the turbidity appears within 5 minutes. Clear? Suppose the unknown alcohol which you are taking is tertiary alcohol. Okay, tertiary alcohol. You are taking tertiary alcohol. To this tertiary alcohol you are adding Lucas reagent. Immediately you will get the turbidity. Okay, so turbidity appears immediately. Okay, turbidity appears immediately. So this is how you can differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So this is very important test. Okay, so how will you differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol? By using Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? It is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. So if you are adding it to that alcohol, based on the appearance of turbidity, you can differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. The turbidity, it won't be same for all the three alcohols, it will be different. Okay, so if you are adding to primary alcohol means you won't get any turbidity at room temperature. Can you understand? Can you able to understand what do you mean by turbidity? Some cloudiness. Okay, and if you are adding that Lucas reagent to secondary alcohol, turbidity appears within 5 minutes. Okay, if you are adding Lucas reagent to tertiary alcohol, this turbidity, it appears immediately. So this is how you can differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So this is what about alcohols.